Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So I'm going to give you a few great tips for LinkedIn. So it's been a few decades since I am here on LinkedIn. I think you can imagine around 8 to 10 years. I think from 2013 or 14 I created my account when I was too young, and like since then I am using LinkedIn, and since last 5 to 6 years I think I'm using it on a continuous basis. But do you know, there were some mistakes that I made, and I would like you not to make these kind of mistakes. So I used to post some videos that I like, or say motivational kind of videos on LinkedIn, knowing that LinkedIn is not such kind of platform where we are putting random videos. Okay, there are people who are doing this, and even there was a time when I was also doing this. So you won't imagine, or you won't believe that I got around million of views and lakhs of likes, but this still there came a day when I decided to delete all my say posts that was not originated from me. And I thought of say changing the way that I was using to say use LinkedIn on a daily basis. Okay, so I would suggest you also to do this. So you can see this, I made a few videos on the same. So you can see this digital marketing hacks newsletter on LinkedIn. So what I have started to do is I have like made my mind to say focus on a few topics that I am working on. So if I talk about digital marketing, writing, graphic designing, or these kind of topics. Okay, so like there was a time when I was posting random videos, but still I was getting a lot of say attention. I was getting huge number of views, good number of likes, great comments, was connecting with amazing people, and there were things like that. But now I am very much into focusing on what kind of services I am providing, what kind of say qualities I am having, what kind of like the qualification that I have. Say if I have I know digital marketing, writing, or graphic designing, all this stuff. So I would be focusing on content related to this only, instead of just posting any random video related to good deed or inspirational or motivational or something like this. Because there are a lot of people who are doing this, who used to just get videos from some platform, download it, and then they used to post it there. Okay, so I have stopped doing this. So I would suggest you, if you have good qualities, if you know some topics, so I would suggest you to focus on these topics and start like firstly make a fan base on LinkedIn, at least 5,000 to 10,000. Then create a space for newsletter, and then start posting on it continuously, because consistency is the key when it comes to social media platforms. So if whatever things you are doing, it should be very much consistent. It should be like whatever stuff you are posting, it is going to add some kind of value to the person who is going to delivering any kind of say any amount of time for your content. Okay, don't try to put say random content that is not going to make any sense to somebody who is conveying that time to your content or something. Just that whatever things you are doing, you make sure that you are going to add value in that person's life who is checking your content. Maybe if that person have like read 4 lines, but still you have say deliver one lesson or one some simple tips to that person. Okay, so yeah, you can see this here. I created this on 11th of May. You can see this was my first say article. I created this on 11th of May 2024, and now you can see this on a continuous basis. I am posting this 1 2, so 11 12 13 14, and this was for today 15th. Okay, so on a daily basis I am posting one article. I am trying to like say shift my focus from random videos or inspirational videos to some content that is related to my field, or content that if somebody is checking, so they can get to know, yes, I am an expert in this, and that person can contact me. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to cover any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.